Regina.
I'm Eunice.
I'm Maquelle.
And I'm Regina.
For our project this year, we decided to make an automatic Connect 3 game.
Throughout this video, we'll walk you through each individual component as well as how they work and some of the challenges we faced while making this project.
So, if you're a child or Connect 3 strategist, you may want to continue watching this video.
The marbles begin at the bottom of the stairs and are carried upwards by these steps. Then they get sorted by a color sorter into separate storage areas. A mechanism releases different colored balls each turn into a slide that puts the marbles into the desired column, indicated by the push of a button corresponding to the column on the game board. The game is played until one person connects 3 balls in a row. The game board is then manually released one column at a time, and the cycle starts over again as the marbles return to the bottom of the stairs.
The stairs are run by a speed-controlled pulse-width modulation DC motor with a potentiometer. This allows us to vary the resistance of the DC motor, which varies the speeds, also allowing us to have it off when it is not needed. The stairs themselves were 3D printed, while the walls of the stairs were made out of laser-cutted acrylic then tuned with machining. The shaft driving the stairs was made out of a 1/4-inch D-profile shaft and has 3D printed circles press-fitted onto them.
The stairs lead to a 3D printed curved slide on which balls queue to get color sorted.
The color sorter was made of a 3D printed sorting tool and a servo motor and the TCS3200 connected to an Arduino. To calibrate the color sensor, it read RGB values of each marble and returned them to the serial monitor. We then search these values for a pattern or acceptable range of colors and input them as if statements into the sorting code. The servo motor driving the sorting tool was then told to go one direction for one color, then the other direction for the other color. This feeds into a 3D printed storage area for separate colored marbles as they wait to be released into play.
The release mechanism holds the balls in the waiting area and releases alternating colors every time a button is pressed. This is made with a 3D printed plate press-fit onto a D-profile shaft connected to an Arduino-driven servo motor. In the same circuit, an inclined slide is attached to an Arduino-driven servo motor that directs the marble to a specific column corresponding to the button the player pressed.
The game board is a 4x4 matrix for a Connect 3 game to increase the amount of strategy involved.
The 3D printed plate holding the balls on the game board can be removed manually to release marbles one column at a time. These balls return through a funnel-shaped track back to the bottom of the stairs, restarting the cycle.
Height was a major challenge throughout the design of this project. The height of each component has to be close to the next to allow for a continuous transition, and the incline of each part has to be large enough to allow the marbles to roll, but not too large because of the limited height gain from the stairs.